Hello student, good morning to all. I am Rao Sharma from LPM Public School. Today I am going to take lecture of 9th class. As you know, your chapter motion is going on. Today I will discuss about a special case, and this is a special case. We have to find displacement in nth second during our journey. If we have to go a journey and the speed this journey is any, but if we have to find the distance travel by object in a particular time, this is known as nth time. If 4 second, distance travel in 4 second and distance travel in 4 second are different. The distance travel in 4 second, it means the total distance or total displacement in 4 second. But if we have to find the distance of displacement travel in 4th second, it means we have to find the displacement found in the particular 4th second. Okay, so in this topic we are going to find the formula, find a relation to find the displacement in particular nth second. Let an object start from point A, and after n second the displacement after n second, this is the position B, after n second. Okay, if this object cover or the displacement of this object after n minus 1 second, it means that this is the displacement after n minus 1 second. So this is the distance, this is the displacement that travel by object in particular nth second. I hope you understood what is nth. The distance covered in a particular second. I am repeating again. A particular example, if during a journey the distance or displacement traveled in 50 minutes, after 50 minutes is 100 meter. In 50 seconds it is 100 meter. But if we have to find the displacement or distance in 15th second, so now we have to find the distance travel between 4th to 15. It means the distance traveled by object after 14th second. Okay, so now I am going to start. Let this distance, displacement of object after n second is Sn. Then the value of Sn is given as Sn equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 a2 square. We can find Sn by using second equation of motion. This is second equation of motion. So where u is initial velocity, t time. So we have to find the value of Sn, displacement of object, after n second. So Sn equal to un plus 1 upon 2 a. A is acceleration. You know acceleration? It's the rate by which the speed or the velocity of object increased. The rate at which the speed of object increased. Rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. Okay, so Sn is equal to un plus 1 upon 2 a n square. This is equation first. Now, if displacement of object after n minus 1 second is Sn minus 1, then the value of S minus 1 is given as un minus 1 plus 1 upon 2 a n minus 1 whole square. This is equation second. So as you can see the diagram, this is the displacement after n second and this is the displacement after n minus 1 second. So if this displacement total displacement in n second and this n minus 1 second, if we subtract this value from this value, then we can find easily the displacement of object in nth second. Okay, so now we have to subtract equation second from equation first. Subtract equation second from equation first. It means Sn minus 1. This is nth. So we can find this value easily. Okay, so let's start. You have to note down this value. So n equal to the value of Sn un plus 1 upon 2 a n square minus u n minus 1 plus 1 upon 2 a n minus 1 whole square. So un plus 1 upon 2 an square minus u n minus 1. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. So this is given as n square plus 1 square minus 2n. We know the formula a minus b whole square. This is a square b square minus 2ab. Okay, so a is equal to n and b is equal to 1. So n square 1 minus 2n. So un plus 1 upon 2 n square minus u n minus 1 plus, you can do multiply, and this is given as un minus u. So 1 upon 2 a n square plus 1 upon 2 a minus 2n upon 2na upon 2. No need to divide 2 by 2. So un plus 1 upon 2 an square minus un plus u minus 1 upon 2 n square by this minus 1 upon 2a plus 2na upon 2. So it means this value cut by this value and this value is cut by this. So it means Snth is given as u, this is u plus 2na upon 2 minus 1 upon 2a. Okay, or you can write like this, minus 1 upon 2a plus 2na upon 2. So it means u plus 2na upon 2 minus 1 upon 2a. Okay, so the value of u 1 upon 2 and a common, so plus 1 upon 2a 2n minus 1. So this is the formula for nth, the displacement of object after or in nth second. Now you can take any example. Let an object moving with a speed (20 meters per second) with acceleration 0.5 meter upon second square. Then find distance traveled in fifth second and 5 seconds. So we have to find the distance travel in fifth second and 5 seconds. So S in fifth second, you can use this formula, U plus 1 upon 2 A 2n minus 1. So U is 20 and the value of A 0.5 to the value of n is 5 minus 1. So it means 20 plus this is 10, so 5 upon 20 into 10 minus 1. So 20 plus 5 upon 20 into 9. Okay, so you can solve it. 20 plus 45 upon 20. So when you divide 45 by 20, this is equal to, you can solve this is equal to 20 plus 2.5. So it means this is 22.5 meter. This is the distance travel in fifth second. Now we have to find the distance travel in 5 seconds. So you have to use S equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. So value of u 20, value of t 5, 1 upon 2, a is 0.5, and what is the value of t? T is 5 square. So this is 100 plus 10, 1 upon 2, 5 into 25 upon 10. So when you solve it, 100 plus 25, 2 into 10, and when you solve it, this is equal to 100 plus 10 means 100 plus 6.25. So 6.2 meter. Okay, I hope you understood this value. This is the distance travel in fifth second, and this is the distance travel in 5 seconds. This is in fifth second and this is in 5 seconds. So both you can assume, you can show that this value S is greater than S fifth. You can see clearly this value is always greater this value, because this is the distance travel in fifth second, but this is the distance travel in 5 seconds. So I hope you understood this formula and this concept clearly. Okay, so in my next video I will explain some more numericals. Thank you very much.